Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in csirnet June 2024. So our question is, a bounded sequence contain a convergent subsequence, then which of the following statement is true? And these all are the options. So here we have to take the bounded sequence and then see what type of subsequence we get. If we take a sequence an is equals to minus 1 to the power n, so we see that if we take the subsequence a of 2n, we get what? 1 1 1 and so on. If we take a of 3n, we get what? 3n 2n plus 1. If we get 2n plus 1, we get what? Minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 and so on. If we get a of 4n, then again we get 1 1 1, so we get a lot of sequence of that. So option B said only one subsequence, this is false. Option C said at most two subsequence, that is also false. If we take the sequence an is equals to 1 upon n, we can take a lot of subsequence of this sequence. If we take a of 2n, we take a of 3n, we take a of 4n, we so on, we can take a of 1000n and lot more. So this all are the subsequence of what? This all are the subsequence of an. So here we cannot say this only finite subsequence. It can be infinite, but the condition it's countable infinite. So option A is also incorrect and option D is correct. So for a bounded sequence, there can be countable infinite sequence. There cannot be uncountable sequence, but it is countably infinite sequence. So option D is true. So this is a solution based on the concept. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.